Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you 3 simple fixes using which you can overcome the thumbnails not showing error in Windows 11. The first step, click on these 3 dots, go to options. From here, go to the view tab and uncheck this first option. Save the change and this should fix the issue. In the next method, search for view advanced system settings. Under Advanced tab, click on Settings. From here, checkmark the Show Thumbnails instead of Icons option and save the change, and this should also fix the issue. The third and final step, simply search for Clean MGR and click on Disk Cleanup. From here, uncheck all the options and select only the thumbnail option and delete the cache files of thumbnails, and this should fix the issue. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.